Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make t-shirt design using Midjourney. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now I'm going to show you a prompt that I personally like that you could use as a design or as a prompt basis for your t-shirt designs. So we're simply going to type in slash imagine, and then you're going to type 32 dash bit isometric, and then type in whatever topic you would like to have. For example, I could go with ocean and click on enter. And then it's going to generate as an image over here. Now, after generating your image, you can simply go to Canva, remove the background, all of those stuff, and use it for your t-shirt design. You could use Canva for your mockups, or you could go directly to Printify and add your designs to Printify and start selling drop shipping through that platform using our design that Midjourney is producing right now. Let's go wait a few seconds and check out the different outputs that Midjourney will produce to us. As you can see, even though it's not finished, you could already see the details and how much quality it is creating right now. So let's give it a few more seconds for it to finish our design. And just like that, we have our designs over here. As you can see, all of them individually are amazing. You could use this prompt for your t-shirt designs and for other things as well. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.